Okay. And again, I'm sorry, this horrible handwriting that's to the side. Okay. All right. So now, I just said that it was cut in half. Well, now, remember, halves of equals are equal. So I'm fixing to say angle 1 equals angle 2 equals angle 3 equals angle 4. So, statement 4 is angle 1 equals angle 2 equals angle 3 equals angle 4. Now, if you look in the book, they have like angle 1 equals angle 2, angle 3 equals angle 4. But you know what? They're all equal because halves of equals are equal. So, by reason of halves of equals, and I'm going to put dot, 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 because this is actually axiom 5. Okay? So now what do I do? What do I do now that I know that angle 3 and angle 4 are equal? So I've got that, I've got an angle that's equal. Well, I can't yet make a statement about AE and BD. I don't yet know about, so I can't really use angle, side, angle yet. So let's see what else I could possibly use. Well, if you look closely, I've created 2 other triangles. I've created this triangle, ADB, and this triangle. Well, why do I care about those 2 triangles? Can you see which ones I'm talking about? Let me rewrite it. I'm talking about, let's see. I'm talking about triangle A, D, B, and then right here, you know, at the same time would be, oh, let me draw that a little bit further. This doesn't look exactly corresponding, but I promise they are. Well, I butchered that, didn't I? Let me just do this. There. Okay, so what I've done is, you can see right here with the triangle ADB, I've kind of pulled it out so you can kind of see what I'm referring to. So I'm going to need, how about I deal with triangle ADB and ABE? What could I do with those 2 to prove that they're equal? Well, if I prove that this triangle here, and let me go ahead and draw this other one. I'm just being lazy here. Let me draw it. And I could get out a protractor and do a much better job, but I'm being lazy still, so at least you don't have to put this on your paper. Okay, so yeah, let's use this for reference. A, B, E. Okay, so now can you see these? I've drawn the green and the red ones separate, so you can see this is the red one, this is the green one. Okay, this is what I want you to see, and it's important I pull them out. Okay, the reason I need to deal with these 2 triangles before I can deal with these pink and orange ones that I drew earlier, the reason I have to deal down here with this is because I don't have enough information yet to use the angle, side, angle. Okay, so I've got to work on a couple of other things to tell me. Okay, so I've drawn triangles, my green and my red triangles. Pulled them out because I know more about those triangles than I do my orange and my pink ones, so I can't even really prove anything about my orange and my pink ones, my AEC and my BDC. But I do know a lot of things about these 2 at the bottom. For example, I've already said that this was angle 2, this was angle 1. Okay, I've already said, and again, if you flip this triangle around, then I've already said that 1 and 2 are equal. And if you look, this is all of angle B. Well, I was given that angle B and B. Well, if I know that this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle, then all I have to do is say this side is equal to this side, and then I can say by angle, side, angle that these are corresponding triangles. Okay? So, that's exactly what I'm going to say now. But remember, we've always had to say, okay, even though AB is equal to AB, we still need to say that. So I'm going to come here, and number 5 is going to be that I'm going to identify by identity that AB is equal to BA by the identity. Okay? Now, that will allow me to, by angle, side, angle, say that my new triangles ADB and ABE are equal. So, number 6 is that triangle ABD equals triangle ABE and by angle, side, angle. Okay? Now, that's excellent. So, now I can say that this angle, angle D, or excuse me, angle AEB is equal to angle angle ADB is equal to AEB by corresponding parts of corresponding triangles. So, angle, I'm going to call this, I think the book called it angle 5. This is angle 5 is equal to angle 6. And I'm going to go ahead and make the statement that AD is equal to BE. And again, it's because of corresponding parts of corresponding triangles. So let me just take number 7 to name all my new things. So that's angle 5, which is ADB, and equals angle 6, which is AEB, and that line segment AD is equal to BE, and it's because of corresponding parts of corresponding triangles, congruent triangles, are equal. Okay, so great. Now, does that help me any with my triangles up here? My pink one and my orange one. Well, I can't really see how yet, but let's continue on, okay? What if, because this angle right here, let's label it 7, and this angle right here, 8, are a part of the triangles I need to prove. Let me redraw the angles triangles I'm trying to prove here. Okay? That wasn't good. Let me draw this. Hang on just a second. Let's say I want to do this. Here we go. Let's do this. This is DB. This is DC. And this is CB. Alright, and then I'm going to come over here and draw this same thing over here. Let's see, I'm going to do... And again, I'm just drawing this so you can see it outside of the triangle, because in my opinion this is difficult to see.